Good morning, good morning. We just woke up here at Toby's Resort in Montego Bay. And today we will be actually getting our rental car at the airport and we will be heading to Mandeville to meet Ellie's parents and for my parents to meet Ellie's parents for the very first time. But we will start today not with getting the rental car, we will start today with a breakfast here at the hotel. So join us for another day in Jamaica with the Jamaican adventure. Breakfast?
Hey, guck mal hier, Ingrid.
Yeah, my mom already broke the bathroom. Breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Breakfast time.
Some Jamaican breakfast. Ellie and my mom are enjoying Jamaican breakfast. Some kalaloo and saltfish with some dumplings, and my mom even got some banana. Elma and I, we had an American, just a quick eggs and pancakes breakfast. And when we are done here, we are heading actually to the airport and we'll be picking up our rental car. So yeah, but the breakfast was actually okay. The service was so. Yeah, but what do you expect? It cannot be always top service. Although the service last night when we entered here was excellent, but this morning it was all a little chaotic because all of our food arrived at different times. I was just served the eggs, and then after it they came with the toast, and then after it the bacon. So it was all like a little yes. And now Ellie and I will go to the airport to pick our rental car. We just called our cab driver who should be waiting for us at the entrance of the hotel very soon. Our cab driver is Lloyd today. He already drove us yesterday to the Island Strain Herb House and we asked him to be back here this morning. So let's hope he is back, that he will be here. And there he is, I see the car already pulling up. Alright. Thank you, boss.
Thank you, sir.
We got our rental car and now we just need to find it.
Alright.
Yeah, we are here at Roxborough Bar and Grill where we made a little pit stop on our way to Mandeville. I believe that's in the area of Greenwich Park. It's very close to the area where you are switching from the North Highway to the Highway 2000, which is believed connecting the north to the south. Yeah, so it's a nice view here actually.
Look at that ocean. Look at that. It's beautiful. That's what's the Bar and Grill.
So, and the next stop we will be actually having another quick stop, of course, because I need my patty, I need my beef and cheese patty to keep going all the way down. And yeah, but I'm also looking forward to arrive finally in Mandeville with Ellie's parents, spend some time, quality time with them, have all the family together, because that's what we are here for. So stay tuned for the patties. And I actually just checked the map. We're actually not in Greenwich Park, it's actually Drexel where we're at right now. But we will actually go to Greenwich Park to pick up the patties there. So patties at Greenwich Park and Roxborough Bar and Grill right now here in Drexel.
Cheers.
Jawohl.
Cheers.
Breakfast, he's saying breakfast. That's the German breakfast, the liquid one.
German breakfast?
Yeah, you have also German breakfast there.
No. Dessert.
Dessert.
Now we are here at Drexel at the little mall they have here, the plaza. And we are going to my favorite juicy patties to get some delicious patties. A dozen.
1 dozen?
Yeah, we got our patties. We are enjoying the patty right now at the moment. My others are already finished. Like D2.
Spicy.
Spicy. My mom said it's spicy. It's the beef and cheese one. But they also did not have it with the cocoa bread, which is normally the standard. So yeah, now we will just go to the ATM. I need to pick up some money and then we are getting back on the road towards Mandeville.
Here. Here's the ATM.
Yeah, we're now here at Trexall, getting back in the car, heading over to Mandeville. Another 2-hour drive probably, but we will get it done. No worries about that because we just had a patty, so we got some strength back for the last part of the ride here. So this is the famous Highway 2000, a highway that was built by a Chinese company, I believe, and they got it in exchange for building that highway. They got a bunch of land here in Jamaica, probably for the natural resources. I'm not a big fan of these kind of concepts, but I believe this highway is very beneficial for everybody who lives and visits Jamaica because it gives you a quick connection from north to south. So it's a great ride. Elmer even meant the streets here are better than in Germany, so it's a very smooth ride. Yeah, we have arrived at Ellie's parents. We already unloaded the luggage out of the car. They are already shedding it up over there. And I will join them right now for a little bit. Probably will film a little bit more later. So yeah, I'm pretty exhausted at least. Maybe time for a little scotch to keep the vibe, the energy flowing, and see what the rest of the day has in. Yeah, tired.